So you might be in a situation where your Android phone is actually stuck in landscape mode. Even when you flip your phone over to this side, you can see maybe your screen or your home screen is stuck into this landscape mode page. Now there's a couple of different ways to fix this. Number one, you might just want to go through and make sure that your phone wasn't already stuck in landscape mode and you turned off the auto rotate. So swipe down from the top right corner, swipe down, and there's going to be a little option in your control bar that's going to show you like auto rotate. So you want to make sure this is enabled. So go through and make sure auto rotate is enabled. If it's off like this, then that's not going to work out for you. So make sure it's enabled like this, and that's going to end up fixing probably that issue for a lot of people. Now, once you do that, you then want to go back into your home screen, flip it to the side, and that might end up fixing it. Now, if your home screen is still like this, you may have toggled on that little option for your home screen to be stuck this way. So the way you can address that is to hold down on your home screen, just like this, and you want to get into your home settings. And then you're going to see a little option all the way at the bottom, hopefully that says something like landscape mode. So what you want to do is you want to toggle this off, and what's going to happen is your screen will now magically come back to its normal page. So now you'll see you'll have your normal screen like this, and now you can kind of use it whichever way you want to. If it's still not working, you can try restarting your phone, and hopefully that'll end up fixing it for you. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.